Today we will be testing the daily pivots with breakout protection. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the daily pivots with fake out protection. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 100 different strategies, with 28 of them being profitable. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I'll put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail, so that way you can just click on that link, go straight to that video, and watch the video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 945 indicators, with 391 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we tested most of these indicators and strategies on the crypto and Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the daily pivots with a fake out protection. And so if you want to know more about this indicator, you can go to the indicator page. You find a link to it down below in the description. Alright, so if I scroll back a little bit here, you can see that we have these green and red arrows. So let's go in and look at the settings here real fast. So we kept all the settings the same, except for we turned off all these in the styles tab here, and under the long breakout we switched that to green, and under the short breakout we switched that to red. And so that gives us what you see here on screen now. And so what we are looking for is going to be these green arrows and red arrows. Now since this is a daily pivot indicator, it isn't able to be used on the daily time frame. So we did drop it down to the 15-minute time frame. The source video claims that it is a free breakout indicator that gives you perfect trade signals. And so on that source video, it does show it being used on the 15-minute time frame on the Great Britain pound versus the US dollar. And so that's what we did, is we dropped it down to the 15-minute time frame. We then adjusted the take profit and stop here. As you can see, basically just cut them in half. And so what we're going to do is just go ahead and go over a 1 month test to see what this is able to achieve in that 1 month. And then we'll consider that as the test, since we can't test it on the daily. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so we finally pick up a signal here. It's going to be a long signal. Get that green arrow right there. We get a nice push to the upside there, and looks like it wasn't quite able to hit our take profit yet. Let's go ahead and play it forward. Unfortunately, it does make that nasty spike to the downside, and that one is going to get stopped out. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's get to scroll back. Alright, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And so 6 trades all together, 6 winning trades all together. So that will meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. I know this one's a little bit different than the other ones that we have done before, but I feel like it's still pretty valid test to do it this way. And so I think we'll go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.